there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup, but filming the entire video, or at least as much as I can, in Twi. Twi is a language from Ghana, and my parents are from there. I, unfortunately, was not born in Ghana. I was born in Michigan, so you can't get more American than that. However, my parents spoke Twi to me growing up, so even though English is my first language, I did grow up hearing Twi a lot and speaking it in the household. I think I'm not too bad at speaking Twi for someone who was not born there. I've been to Ghana once. I have a lot of Ghana pride though. Does that count? I'm gonna switch over to the language in a sec. But before I do, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it, and I hope I don't let my parents down. Mr. Mwa muka asante na muti cheme no. Se me kami bina mfa ya Mr. Mo fa cheme. Mebo mudia kano wo asante mo na se brofum na wati deme pese me trase. Deme kane ya meniachi. And ma huse en sambia ba menim. I don't know. Bako. Waha. Huse e bintu so wo mafno ho. Me fa aniachi pencil way. Your friend of Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I will brush a fin be wa side bako and a sour pencil wa this side. Me fa me niachi na mama and Rina daho. Na ma fa pencil no. Ne be se me feel me niachi. If he said me ni and Rino no so wa hanti me pe se me feeling na a full. So min rie near chino me fa me concealer way dear. Ma yusa manai tiny. But me fa color way no. Dienta me yusa way no if se me pese me ma near chino more bold. So that so wujuna baby fufra which me who me near chino say obano near chi. Okay, I think so my rie hano nimbie no almost a year for, so that's what's important. Me area na ma fab brush way. Your friend no concealer brush. Na ma paper concealer kakra na flipo. Me paper bioma free so, but for Cecilia no I think say yeah. And then a friend twice me pese me no your friend no Smokey eye. Inti mefa eyeshadow aye me nin kata so. Yeah, and I said to say be every mini muba. Sounds a little scary. Smokey eye when may you say purple and a pink. Purple and pink, you kinda tree musing. May you say purple and pink. May you say Urban Decay electric palette, Makeup Forever makeup palette, then Tosso Mienu, and then color back one me did Tosso no every Tarte's Pro palette. So we tung need to send me a wunia chi hano wunin kata swano a dark and so wupesa wufa color a yes so color no sometimes won't to me as well and to me bright it until me fa eyeshadow base. Deme babe ye woman is so no and yet small. Dinka crab, but and yet bibia wube fasha ko asori or something like that. It's just art keke. Color kaneno and may you say every Makeup Forever palette. Be pink way no. Mem fani na nkosro because me pese me fa color back on so ho. Inti me deba aha na majai white no kakre bi wasro ha. Na maja eto ha. Next me fa purple way no. It is said purple ni pink eye afra. Oh my goodness, effort. Brush way no ewo sides me nunti me fa side kitwa na ma dipe a free purple way no. Na me dia ye line hano. Me fa ko a tray. Bani mo ha me yena light because me pesa higher too dark. Brand way a free Estee Edit a eyeshadow cream and a powder. Unti me you say cream no is so dark. Me dia mensaje which me who said like a dark pa. Enti eno na mefa I start to say me create a musie no. Me ma purple no ntra sa line way. Me mana ye I had a poetry. Who say I start to say I yet tum chain ha. That's the look we're going for. Way your friend Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in jet black a tum pa. And way we say I get careful because say we a mistake bia. Black no me dia me ma a tre ha tum chain ni mo hono. So me ya me draw a line kakra. Na ma draw a line kakra nto so. O so ha. Na me yeko, na me frako. Me mama, Emma will son ye dame, me yen a light. Na me de ba ni mo ha. Come pesa black, no edru me ha. Okay. Now, mefa eyeshadow kakra abobo way so that ebit me set it wo. Me makeup forever palette will purple back on it will have me use way. Na me dia ya ha. So that purple na me dia ha no ebit set it. Me ya no ria. Na ma fa brush say na me dia fa black kakra. So that way no best set it on here. Thinks I met pinning material a poetry. Meya mini way na masamba back. Okay, masamba Maria nimienu at least Maria for now. I paid them my baba ye nim. Ansana me use foundation me de face primer efa so ansa. Mfanya minia se me hne me bojase everywhere. May use it Fenty Beauty Foundation, way shade 480. Me faba asia ha kakra. Na me daya ma no ho kakra ntoso. Je me babe no brofoye kano highlighting and contouring. Me fa concealer way Efri Sephora a Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer, way a shade 18. Me mfama aha because me de fofron so be ye ho. We no mesa dia ye me hne me de be ye me ha. Me bodra se kakra. Me de be ye ma no sro ha. And then mesa fa way a free AJ Crimson and a highlighting and contour kit. May you say light one no. Way a brighter chain. Then may you say namasa alpha me ho. Asana ma mixing in mefa Sephora concealer way is shade 21 and then my contour. So we see highlighting and contouring more videos on my channel. So we have me a video series and me break it down and I me try more. So we see we be me a cocker. Me fa cocker be a ha. Me sound depibium because me person me fabric kakrebi and so may you say brush way for highlighter, brush way for contour, and then me fa sponge so a blend it kakra. Me person me contour no yet tum more until me fa dark color way no. I enhance it. Way brofo mo you're kind of blending sponge, but trimo basically a sapoa who you say de blend it bibia mano daho. Instead of semi de blend it, may you say afa powder yeminim. Where your friend of Sasha Buttercup powder. Meshie kakrebi oh nisro. Aya hanina. So we use cream. I won't nimwa. I say we fa powder this set it. Meha so me de we no be so that I have darker. Trust the process. Where you're friend of baking. Baking is when wufa powder wunim na wujano ho for about 5-ish minutes. May you say this blush from MAC Na me de ye baby ma contour. So menino min rie yet me ba be fa e bia twaso. Nti me fa white eyeshadow base. Except instead of astrono me de fa siya. But I said we are careful. So me sa fa Urban Decay electric palette. Na ma fa purple na me use it first. Na me dia fa me niasis no. Me ye ria na ma fa eyeliner, a skinny felt tip eyeliner. And na ma draw line kakrebi wo me niase ha. Na a darken purple no. Na ma connected to a hat. Ooh, my excited. Me fa glitter. Look, we know in your small. Nti me fa glitter glue. Brofo ye glitter glue, but tree mo ye ni tree wo honte. Me fa no say de Emma glitter no be ka me ni so no. Na me de kakrabia ye me side ha. Me mfa nko to dodo, and me mfa nko nim dodo. Me fa be me ni tete ha no. First color na me use a pink. Na ma fa colorway friend is saying, oh, gunmetal. Na abwas emusia effect na me woman no so. Me fa glitter no ye mini way na ma paper minim na ma samba back. So me ya be but an sana my me no me wo nyama kakra bia asa me de minim. De di kane ye blush way every Lorac. Ah. And so we'll fight and dodo because you before blush no naturally yummy boy no yes that I had ye pink to serum for I did me fa powder highlighter I am minim we no my favorite highlighter ni until me fa de ko bia me travel out and I crack it until me be so say until won who they may use it but at least you know say every BH Cosmetics. Ooh girl, looking like a bag of money. So would not far off I'm who said me the highlighter I am my funeral so hot. You know what I'm saying? My fucking creepy I am me For my no, may you say NYX Love Out Loud matte lipstick. I feel like a bright dodo. Ntimefa darker color. May you say purple lipstick. Wait, a free cover girl. May what free tit. I'm in her set. Am I not dark enough? Better. So now me fa NYX Finny Matte Long Lasting Setting Spray. A spray me name so that diamaye na bekaho. Usually we use the setting spray on a pass so that and a fed twa so why no but me lasted sa akusi anajo. So wouldn't be it's good to have some. Alright, look Nina ni Marine me de ani tete twa atwa me de no so. I hope some in rare Phoebe bia. So this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for bearing with me with my tree/English. I hope this video no ama onyaje. And maybe wow to me recreated look of Adiako baby. Who knows? But not church. And fun sorry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for many more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. And for my viewers who speak Tree, midase.